Speed 9 Australian.
G'day! G'day!
G'day.
Show your fanny, you waffle. Alright? Right, boys, got everybody in a very strong line, going very fast, boys.
G'day.
I know you lazy cunts think that you can just stand around doing jack shit, but let me tell you, it's not how it's going to happen around here.
Speed 8 British Marmalade. Wow, that's a top model marmalade over there.